Alright guys, so you saw my video of the engine starting, and if you watch that whole series, I have a playlist on my channel. Check it out. If I missed anything or you want to know something specific on something I used, what I did, drop me a comment. I'll respond to all the comments. I picked these Damon Motorsport motor mounts up. I believe I bought the passenger kit and the transmission mount kit. It was like 500 bucks. So when I did the motor, I put these in, and I also did a balance shaft delete on the motor. And when I first started it up, I was shocked at the vibration that was in the interior of the car. It was ridiculous. It reminded me of my sister's car. She has a V6 05 Mazda 6, and her motor mount went bad, and the vibrations throughout the car are just absurd. You can't have that for a daily driver. As you can see, this motor mount is now on the bench. I took it out and put in the worn factory motor mount back in, and 90% of my vibes went away. I left the transmission one in, so I do have some vibrations as you're driving down the road. It's not bad at all though. For a daily driver, seriously think about you know, the consequences of putting these in. It's a nice mount, not knocking Damon in any way, but this is just like a weekend warrior drag car. It's daily driving. This is gonna drive you to drink. The balance shaft delete after I put in the worn out factory motor mount, you could barely feel that. So I'm probably just gonna replace my factory mount and sell this thing. So I hope that gives you a little insight on the motor mounts and vibrations and what they can cause.